Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, I encourage you to check out the rest of the videos I have, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Today we'll be doing pillowcase. I didn't put any pattern. I rather pull an old pillowcase and just trace it and start from there. If you follow with the video, you'll be able to do and achieve the same result I have. So without any further ado, let's travel back on time and see how we did that. Here is my old pillowcase that I was talking about. I am folding it into 2 equal halves, and I'm measuring the sizes for the widths and the heights of my pillowcase. Now I'm just writing the measurements down, and I'm adding seam allowance to my measurements. I also decided to add another coordinated fabric just to give it a nice look. So I added a pink piece to match my fabric. So here I am, I cut my coordinated fabric. Oh, this box. It's messy, don't judge me for that. I keep collecting ribbons and binding tapes. I need to at one time to organize it, take the time to organize it. So let's hide it out of our seam. Thank you. Okay, so I also got the thread, and now I'm just showing you how the binding tape will look on the pillow after we finish. Now match the edges and right side together and pin or clip on the edges. Meanwhile, I can tell you another story. This Disney fabric, I got about 6 or 7 meters of that because when I went to the store it was on sale. So I saw Disney and it on sale, so I just bought 6 meters. And here I am, I'm using it for a pillowcase. So you might see it a lot because I have plenty. Back to the project. Now I'm threading my poppin, and now I am threading also my sewing machine with the thread that I choose. The thread I choose, it came out to be super dark, but it's okay. I'm going to do a French seam, so it won't be showing at all. Now, as always, your iron is your best friend. So here we are, we're using our iron. And we are, I'm just ironing just to give it a crisp look at the seams. You don't have to iron all of it right now. So this is also my wonder tape or double side tape. So I'm just adding a small strap. It will help me to have the binding tape placed on the right spot rather than keep moving and pin it. It will take a lot of time to pin the whole binding tape, so it's easier this way. Now I'm just trying to be as accurate as possible and just putting my binding. I also give it another press just to make the glue stick more, and now here I top stitch the binding tape like I'm showing you. Now here is the magic happen like I'm showing you here. And now for the edge, you leave the edge and then you attach it to the other seams that you just did earlier, just like to sandwich between both, so the pillowcase will be all tucked inside like you see. And now pin or clip the two edges together, the seams and the raw edge of your fabric. It will look like a hot dog. Or maybe a sausage. Oh, let me know in the comment below. Does it look like a hot dog or a sausages? It looks weird, but you know, you will get the point once you get it. Now here is a magic happen. We are pulling our pillowcase out of that hot dog, and see, you have no seams at all to look at. Look at that finish, it's perfect. So again, bringing my best friend, and we'll give it a good press. Now, I forgot to record this part, forgive me for that. I did a French seams like I told you. So what you do is you sew on the right edges, on the right side. And then you cut the seam allowance very close to your stitches like I'm showing you. And now we are going to flip the pillowcase inside out, or the right side will be inside and the wrong side will be out. And now make sure you book your corners, flatten your seams, and now sew all across the two edges like this.
That looks good.
And here we are, we completed our project.